Okay, so this is always fun to teach because you know it and you just don't think about it, right? So daily temperature variations, right? We know the temperature changes during the day, right? You get up and it's, well, this is Florida, so it's mildly hot. And then you start doing your daily stuff, you go out for lunch, and it's like, okay, it's hot, right? And then you're coming out of work and it's mildly hot again, right? And then at nighttime it drops down to, let's go with comfortable. And so it varies during the day. Now, we know that the sun is at the highest point at noon, right? Highest point at noon. However, the hottest part of the day isn't until 2 to 5 in the afternoon. Right? So the hottest part of the day is like when you're finishing class or finishing work or whatever, right? In the afternoon, not at noon when you're having lunch and the sun's just beating down on you. It's actually afterwards. And why is this? Well, because the sun heats the ground heats the air from the bottom up. So it takes a little while from the sun to go from its highest spot for the energy to heat up the ground and then heat up the atmosphere. Now, why is it 2 to 5? Well, it varies by season with cloud cover, humidity, winds, the whole. I mean, this is not an easy system, the atmosphere, so it varies. But it's something you know, it's just you don't usually think about. And this also applies to the year. We all know that wintertime, usually you think wintertime, you think December, January, right? You think summertime, I think June, July. I mean, that's when we're out of school. So summertime, right? That's the summer semester. When are the solstices? June and December, right? So it makes sense that December would be the coldest because that's when the Earth's getting the least amount of energy, and June would be the warmest because that's when we're getting the most amount of energy. But it doesn't work that way because it's still got that delay of heating and then the Earth's budget and then heating the atmosphere. So it turns out that this month right here is usually the hottest month of the year, August. Right? Kind of the end of summer, if you will. I mean, I know September is supposed to be the end of summer, Labor Day, right? But August is when we all start back to school, so end of summer. And January is the coldest month, right? And that kind of makes sense because you've got Happy New Year, right? And then, like, nothing. It's just like, okay, back to the usual for a while. So it's like, well, okay, you can be the coldest month and you can be the dreariest month, but it's a new month, a fresh start, a fresh cold start, apparently.